Keeping your home clean in 2026 is easier than ever thanks to the latest robot vacuums. With powerful suction, smart navigation, and fully automated cleaning systems, these devices can handle everything from pet hair to deep carpet cleaning. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums you can buy right now, starting from number 1 and working our way down. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete. This is one of the most advanced robot vacuums available, featuring an ultra-thin design, extremely powerful suction, and a fully automated cleaning system. With up to 35,000 PA suction power, this vacuum delivers outstanding cleaning performance on both carpets and hard floors. It easily removes dust, debris, and pet hair. The ultra-thin 3.13-inch design allows it to clean under furniture where most robot vacuums can't reach. It also features advanced obstacle avoidance with over 280 detection points, ensuring smooth navigation around your home. This model includes full automation, self-emptying, self-refilling, and mop self-cleaning. You barely need to interact with it once it's set up. The LiDAR-based mapping system ensures accurate room mapping and efficient cleaning paths. Pros: extremely powerful 35,000 PA suction, ultra-thin design for hard-to-reach areas, fully automated cleaning system, advanced obstacle avoidance. If you want the most powerful and hands-free cleaning experience, this is the best robot vacuum in 2026. Number 2. DREAME L60 Ultra PE. This model offers powerful suction, smart navigation, and excellent edge cleaning performance. With 30,000 PA suction, it handles dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. One standout feature is its corner-to-edge cleaning ability, which helps it clean areas that many robot vacuums miss. The detangle brush is especially useful for homes with pets, reducing hair wrap issues. It includes obstacle avoidance, 360-degree navigation, and a self-cleaning system, making it highly efficient and low maintenance. Pros: strong suction power, excellent edge cleaning, anti-tangle brush design, smart navigation system. A high-performance robot vacuum that delivers premium features at a slightly lower price point than the top model. Number 3. Eufy X10 Pro Omni. This is a smart and efficient cleaning system with a focus on mopping performance. With 8,000 PA suction, it's not the most powerful on this list, but it still performs very well for everyday cleaning. The standout feature is the dual mop system with automatic lift, which prevents carpets from getting wet. It includes AI obstacle avoidance, automatic mop washing and drying, and self-emptying and refilling functions. This makes it a very hands-off cleaning solution. Pros: excellent mopping performance, automatic mop lifting for carpets, smart AI obstacle avoidance, fully automated cleaning station. Best for users who want strong mopping performance along with smart automation. Number 4. 7,000 PA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This is a model offering a balance of performance and affordability. With 7,000 PA suction, it handles daily cleaning tasks well. It's suitable for hard floors, carpets, and pet hair. The LiDAR navigation system ensures efficient mapping and cleaning routes, which is impressive at this price range. It includes app control, Alexa compatibility, smart scheduling, and self-emptying functionality. Pros: good suction for the price, smart mapping with LiDAR, self-emptying feature, long runtime. A great mid-range option for users who want smart features without spending too much. Number 5. Q20 Ultra Bagless Robot Vacuum. This is a budget-friendly option with solid features. With 6,000 PA suction, it's suitable for light to moderate cleaning. It works well on hard floors and low-pile carpets. The bagless self-emptying system is a nice touch, reducing ongoing maintenance costs. It includes LiDAR navigation, app control, scheduling, and Alexa integration. Pros: affordable price, bagless self-emptying system, smart mapping and scheduling, easy to use. A good entry-level robot vacuum for smaller homes or light cleaning needs. Here's a quick summary to help you choose. Best overall performance: DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete. Best premium alternative: DREAME L60 Ultra PE. Best for mopping: Eufy X10 Pro Omni. Best mid-range option, 7000 PA LiDAR robot vacuum. Best budget pick, Q20 Ultra. Each of these robot vacuums offers something different, so the best choice depends on your cleaning needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Check the links in the description for more details and current pricing. Thanks for watching.